Hello, my friends, and welcome. Today we are going to be doing a free flow, a blend of Qigong and EFT tapping for wintertime blues or seasonal depression. This is something that affects so many people, myself included. I am greatly affected by the weather. I live in Pittsburgh. The skies are right now, they're just like a white overcast. It's gray, it's dreary. We haven't seen sunshine for many, many days, and that starts affecting just how you feel. Our internal environments can so often reflect nature, our external environment. So when it's dark and dreary, we can feel dark and dreary inside as well. So I wanted to do a routine today just to kind of knock some of that sadness, some of that depression out of our system, get our energy flowing again, bringing some light into ourselves, internal sunshine, so that we can start to feel a little happier, get a little bit more motivated to do some things, and just feel more at peace in the winter season. So if that sounds good to you, find a nice quiet place to practice. Let's get our bodies relaxed, our minds calm, and let's get our energy flowing. All right, let's get started. We're gonna start with some tapping first. We wanna bring those emotions to the surface. When we bring our emotions to the surface, it allows us to release them from our body. So we're going to be tapping on meridian points and stating how we are truly feeling. So all you need to do is tap where I tap and repeat after me. We're gonna start right along the collarbone. You're gonna find if you push underneath it, there's a bit of it's called a sore spot. And you'll be able to know when you find it. It's really tender. And you're just going to make circular motions over top of that sore spot. So give yourself a second to find it. It's kind of near the end of the collarbone. Making those circular motions, repeating after me. Even though I feel this darkness of this winter season, causing me to feel this sadness, and finding it difficult to find joy. I choose to love, honor, and accept how I feel. Tapping on the inner brow, this winter darkness. Outer brow, making my chest feel heavy. Under eye, wanting to hide away until spring arrives. Upper lip, finding it difficult to get through the day. Chin, my inside feeling as dark and dreary as the weather outside. Collarbone, this weather is affecting every part of me. Side of the body, making it difficult to get motivated to do anything. And top of the head, all this sadness and heaviness from this winter weather. All right, allow your hands to drop. You can give them a little shake. We're just gonna get ourselves aligned and do a quick couple breaths just to further release some of that energy. So pointing your toes forward, a slight bend in your knees, tuck your tailbone, long spine, crown of the head pointing up to the heavens, and tucking in your chin slightly. You just want to make sure your spine is completely aligned and your knees are not locked and rigid. So your body feeling tall and strong, placing your hands over your lower dantian. Just going to take a few breaths in here. Just kind of feeling into what we just tapped on. Breathing in through the nose, pulling it all the way down to the belly. And then exhaling through a pinhole of the mouth. One more breath in. And exhale. Stepping out slightly wider, allowing your arms to rise up. Inhale. And exhale, breathe out, come down. Inhale up. Exhale, bounce in the knees. And inhale back up. So here we want to just clear out any of those negative emotions, so that sadness that we're feeling, that heaviness that we're feeling, envision it just kind of washing away with this movement. So inhale, coming up, exhale, double bounce in the knees, and stretching the body tall again. Inhale and exhale. So all that sadness, the heaviness from winter, allowing it just to escape from your body. Inhale, washing up, and exhale, releasing. Inhale, exhale. Going with your own breath here. Just soft double bounce in the knees. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, bounce. Releasing that heaviness. Release that sadness. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. And coming back to center. Allowing your arms to float by your side. Just feeling into your body for a second. Feeling kind of that energy buzzing through your fingertips. And we're going to inhale, bring your hands up. Floating and rotating, opening up the sky, and exhaling back down. Inhale up, rotating palms up to the sky, pushing open, holding your breath, and exhale back down. Inhale, opening up your chest, and exhale, washing back down. Inhale, opening up the lungs hold the emotion of sadness, so we're wanting to fill them up with joy and hope. Releasing all that heaviness from our chest. Just a few more, getting into the flow, allowing your body to become calmer. Holding the inhale and exhaling back down. Inhale and exhaling back down. Bringing your hands up across your chest, right over top of your lungs. And envision energy or sunshine or light pouring out of your hands into your chest, into your lungs, clearing away any stagnation, melting away that heaviness. Taking some deep breaths here. And releasing your hands back down. Coming out into a slightly wider stance. You can come down if you want into a horse stance if you don't want to go that far down or it's too hard on your knees or whatever it may be. You can come up a little bit higher. You're going to place your hands right in front of your belly like you're holding a little ball. And you're going to inhale, stretching your arms apart. Exhale, scooping forward. And inhale back to the center with that ball. So rotating sides, inhale, pushing up with the one arm, pushing down with the other. And exhale, scooping, rolling with the back, coming back to center. Inhale, pushing, getting that side stretch, opening up the body. Exhale, center. Allowing the body to move kind of like water. So nothing rigid. The movement should just flow naturally from one move to the next. So inhale, stretch. Exhale, just slowly moving forward, rolling yourself back up. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And one more on this side. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, scooping. And back to center. Bringing your body back to center. We're going to go ahead and finish up with some tapping. So again, tapping where I tap and repeating after me on the brow. I choose to release this weight of winter. Releasing the grip it has over my happiness. Releasing the weight it has over me. Because this season will pass. But in the meantime, I choose to find my own happiness. Clearing away any heavy energy and finding my own sunshine. Feeling its warmth shine over me. And allowing it to free my sadness. Washing gratitude over top of me and feeling it fill my heart. Tapping right on the center of the chest. I create my own joy and happiness. I choose to release this weight that winter has over me. Knowing that when I feel down, I can create my own sunshine. And coming back into the position we started with our feet forward, tall spine, hands on our lower dantian, taking a deep breath in and out. And staying here just for a minute, I want you to visualize this little internal sunshine we just created. So maybe it's just hovering right above your head. I want you to start to feel its warmth wash over you. Feeling it heating up the crown of your head, over your face, coming down your shoulders, your arms, filling up your chest, allowing your heart to expand, washing down your torso, your legs, all the way down to your feet. Feeling yourself just basking in the glow of your own internal sunshine. Feeling warm, feeling happy, and knowing that whenever this season starts to get to you, that you have the power to create your own sunshine, create your own happiness. And you also have the power to release the heaviness. So taking one more breath in. And big outward breath. Let it go. A little shaking here. hands on the wrist, grabbing both the front and the back. Release. So that is it, guys. Hopefully you feel a little lighter. Your chest feels a little bit more open. You feel like maybe you just went on a nice little holiday in your mind and some sunshine, and you feel just a little bit less gloomy and doomy. If you found this practice enjoyable, please let me know in the comments, and I will, as always, be back to share something new with you guys soon. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on new videos. Also, check out opalroots.com for more information and fun and alternative ways to heal.